Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shahzad and you're watching my YouTube channel. You're watching my YouTube channel Finch Birds. Okay guys, today another video I'm gonna make for two recessive genes. When they mix together, they are producing half orange. That two recessive genes are black-breasted and orange-breasted. As we saw in my previous videos, we discussed orange-breasted and we discussed already black-breasted. Let's see a bird when these two genes are together and what kind of bird it produced. Keep in mind, whenever you're doing zebra finch mutation breedings, keep in mind that orange recessive genes always dominates black color, the black genes. When you mix black-breasted and orange-breasted, you will have a half orange. The black will go on the back side and prominent color will come out a half orange, orange breasted with the black breasted mix. So let's see. I'll catch one of my OBBB. We call OBBB in short, orange breasted, black breasted guy. Let me catch. It's in my okay. Okay, so I'll show you my OBBB, orange-breasted, black-breasted guy. Here you go. This is my OBBB guy. Let me focus a bit. Okay, now you can see. This is a OBBB guy. How you can see, it's orange-breasted as well as black-breasted. How we will check if it's a black-breasted? Because the tail marking. See, this is not a zebra tail marking. This tail marking is hourglass, straight lines to the down with orange shade colors. And also, this guy is a fawn having a sex-linked fawn genes. That's why it's a fawn color also there. So, second thing, you will see the oval shapes are gone. It's again like a lines. And there is only white dots, but the lines under the neck also gone. You can see, if I focus there, okay. So this is our OBBB guy. Look at the size. I love this guy. I gave him a triple B with the face girl. So hopefully we'll get a full oranges. Okay. So see, I will leave this guy into the cage and you guys will check how it look like. See, there is no zebra linings under the neck. There is no zebra lining on the tail marking, but it's an orange guy. This is called half orange and it has two recessive genes together in one bird called orange-breasted, black-breasted, and in short form, we call it OBBB. Let me transfer to the show cage. Here we go. You can see now this bird. I'll do zooming also. See, this bird have a tail marking. It's a half orange. There is no zebra lining in front. And the tail marking you can see it's a hourglass, not a zebra tail marking. So there in this bird, it's a two recessive genes are together. One is black-breasted, second is orange-breasted. And as we know, the orange-breasted always dominate and prominent on a bird when two recessive genes, orange-breasted and black-breasted together. So it turns this bird into the half orange. Okay, so you can see This is my favorite bird. It's a nice bird. See? It's very nice. So this is called orange-breasted, black-breasted. In short form, we call OBBB bird. This is in fawn color. Keep in mind there is different colors. This is in fawn color. There is some NG colors. There is some CFW. There is some, light backs. So all these. So today we are watching fawn color OBBB, orange-breasted, black-breasted guy in front of you guys. Okay guys, today's video was regarding this OBBB, orange-breasted and black-breasted. Hopefully you guys know that now, how this bird is producing. So hopefully you like this video, and if you like my bird and my videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for the upcoming videos, and stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.